Hello and welcome back to DEEPCRAFT Voice Assistant. Today we're going to look at how to download your model and integrate it into your embedded application. So for this we're going to use the embedded deploy application, the code example, provided in Modus Toolbox. And I have previously deployed the code example using Project Creator, Modus Toolbox Project Creator, and I have the application set up. In fact, I even compiled it and ran it on my EVK just to see to make sure that it compiled and everything was functioning correctly using the default settings. But for this example, what we're going to do is we're going to download the model that we've created from DEEPCRAFT Voice Assistant, and we'll integrate it into the code example and then test that. So we're in the project that I previously created. It's a simple project to turn on a light and turn off a light. And up in the upper right hand corner there is a download from cloud button. So you want to click on that button and it will download the project. This is called my project _1. That's the name of the project. It will download it for me, and then I just want to extract it into my code example directory where my code example has been deployed. And so if we look at my code example here in VS Code, you'll see, let's talk a little bit about the directory structure. So it's three different cores. So there's the CM33 not secure, CM33 secure, and CM55. In this case, the CM55 directory is where the models are located. These are going to run on the CM55. And if we look in the models directory, you can see there's some bundled models that came with the code example, the cooktop demo, the LED demo, and the smart lights demo. And what I've done is I've just extracted my project _1, which is my model, into this same models directory. And you can see all the files that have been added here. These are my model files. You can see the name of the project is here. This is the prefix my project _1. And you can see here's the header file, and here's the app header file. So and then here's the model file. You can see the actual model, command model, wake word model. So you can see all the model contents are here in my project _1 directory. And I've compiled this application. Well, first, before we compile it, we have to actually swap out the default model with my model. And the way we do that is we just have to change one line of code in the common.make file. You'll see at line 54 here at the bottom of the file, there is a DEEPCRAFT project name define, and I'm going to change it from what it was, which was Smart Lights Demo, which was the default, and I'm changing it to my project _1 to identify my model, which I've downloaded from DEEPCRAFT's Voice Assistant. So I did that. I compiled the application. I flashed it onto my EVK, and now we can test it. So let's go over to my PuTTY terminal. I've got it connected to COM14, and I'm just going to reset the board. You can see audio enhancement is initialized and voice assistant is initialized, and it starts rejecting the words that I'm speaking right now and into the microphone on the EVK. And as soon as I speak a recognized wake word, it will start reacting to the commands that I provide. So I'll say, hey Infineon, turn on the light. And that has the effect of turning on the light. The intent name is light on, so it recognized the correct intent. Hey Infineon, turn off the light. That has the effect of turning off the light, or recognizing and providing the intent light off. Hey Infineon, it's dark in here. That turns on the light. That's according to our model. Hey Infineon, good night. That has the effect of turning the light off. So you can see the testing is successful. And We can continue testing, but I think what we'll do now is we'll move on to another video with more intricate testing of the same device. Thank you.